Well, hello, students, and welcome to another lesson using Autodesk Inventor Professional. I just downloaded and installed version 2022. I'm anxious to use it, so I want to teach you how to make the chess piece called the Knight. And let's begin. I'm going to show you what the software looks like. And this is the interface. I'm going to open from my chess set folder my chess pieces template. And put it in front view. And I'm going to start a 2D sketch and create the base of the Knight, revolve it, and then I'm going to create the head of the Knight. So first, I'm going to make a perfect L. Remember, the bottom of your base must be a perfect L for this to be able to mate to the chessboard. Now I'm going to create the arc from here to here, here to here, from here to here, and then find this line to go straight across. And hopefully, now that I have the base, I can finish, right click, copy that base that I just made, and go up to the upper left, select File, New, Standard IPT, Create, start a 2D sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to right click on the XY axes and paste. And I believe I can select them and then say move, that is. Select from the base point and move that up to the origin. Say done. So I've got my base profile. Now I finish sketch and revolve. Very interesting. New profile. Select the axis and select OK. And that's the base. So now I'll return to the chess pieces template, start a 2D sketch right on the template, and I'm going to draw the profile of my horse. There is another tool called Spline, which will allow you to make curves. So I can draw a curve and then click the check mark, and then I can select Spline again and pick up where I left off. Check mark. See? Now I can pan, return to the spline tool, find the green endpoint, and then begin to draw again. Draw very tight turns by clicking very close together. It takes practice. And check. As I work my way around, remember, select the check mark every so often so that the curve does not get too long. And then you can select spline again. And if you want tighter curves, you have to click closer and closer together. Press the middle mouse wheel and then continue to follow your profile. Check. As you can see, I'm working my way around this, and I think I should be able to finish it with one more spline. Demonstrate this. See, if I click very close together, get a tight curve. Just using my mouse wheel and my left. And check. Now you got to make sure that every single point is connected to every other point. All right. So now that I have this, I can right click on that profile that I just drew and copy it. Now I return to my base. In order to create this profile of the horse head, I've got to select the plane button up in the middle here, go to the origin folder and click the plus sign next to it and find the plane, this one, the XY plane that faces me. And then you see it's cutting right through. So I've got to move it and then move it back and then click check. Now that locks that plane in place. Now I want to start a 2D sketch, and the only way to activate it is click on the yellow line. Yes. And now I can right click and paste my profile. Now I go to the move tool, I select what I want, go to the base point, move that base, make it right where I so choose. There. So I've put my horse head where I want. I select done, finish sketch, and then I can extrude it. It clicks extrude already. I want to extrude in both directions evenly, and the dimension should be approximately 0.125, maybe 0.2. Make it a little thicker, click OK. And there I've created my knight. I want to right click on this work plane right on the yellow line and turn the visibility checkbox off. And there you have it, the knight. You can select this color wheel. I believe it changes this box here to the default. You can select, as I've been doing, I'm looking for glossy black. Congratulations, I've got the glossy black. Then I select File, Save As. Remember what I was saying. You select this PC, you find your name, you find my documents, you find your chess set folder you've made, and then name it. Knight. Save. Now you go to the materials list yet again. Slide down until you find your second color. In my case, it's smooth white. Then I select File, Save As, and change the name to Knight White. Save. So at this point, you have your model. So what you want to do is return to this orange box up in the upper left, select, export image. You want to change it to PNG. You can name it what you will, but it should be a PNG or at least a JPEG, and then save. I believe I should have a file in my chess set folder, so I will verify it. This PC, I'll find my name, I find my documents, I find my chess set folder, and I'm looking for the image that I'm going to turn in for assignment credit. I hope you can do it too. Good luck.